Okay, let's go to the WPP app again, and we go down to the bottom second. It's code. It's okay here. We see BCH. Okay, we click buy. BCH buy, and then it comes like this. So we click buy more, and we confirm, and we wait for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, whether the trading is profit or loss, it will be appear in the asset. Let's go to assets to the bottom right corner. Okay. It will appear in today's income, yesterday's income, today's income. It will appear in the today's income.